A Bahian woman taught me this. Now that I've learned, I won't make it any other way. Let's start by adding 395 grams of condensed milk to a pan. Then add 400 grams of heavy cream and 100 grams of shredded coconut. Now, let's mix all of this together well. Turn on the stove to medium heat. Stir until it starts to thicken. This is the perfect consistency. When it looks like this, transfer it to a plate or dish of your choice. Then spread it out evenly. Now, in a smaller pan, add a cup of sugar, half a cup of water, a tablespoon of vinegar. I'm using white vinegar here. Give it a quick stir. Turn the heat to medium. Let it sit without stirring until it reaches the right point. To test, put a drop in a container of water. It should harden and form glass-like threads, breaking very easily. This is the perfect stage for our syrup. Once done, remove it from heat. Now let's add our topping. Then refrigerate until it's chilled. Look how amazing this Bahian candy looks on the platter. It's super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Sending you a big hug. See you next time, and thanks.